Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, we'll be doing another ukulele tutorial for you guys since maraming nagre-request ng kantang to. So without further ado, grab your ukulele because today I'm gonna teach you how to play Nobela by Join the Club. So for today's tutorial, I will be using my pink Kokolele na ukulele from Clifton guitars, and if you want to purchase this exact type of ukulele, so click the description box below for the purchase link sa Lazada. I just want to make this tutorial very quick and easy for you guys, so no need to worry about. The chords are pretty basic, and also if you would like to use a capo, so I advise you to clip it here on the 3rd fret of your ukulele. Pero pag wala naman kayong capo, so okay lang yun. Okay? Huwag kayong mag-alala. So our strumming pattern is down, up, down, up, down, up for the entire song. Okay? And then our intro has only 2 chords, F and C major 7. So our F should sound like this. Yung F natin, and then the next chord is C major 7, which is the first string here on our 2nd fret. Ayan yung C major 7 natin. Again, F, and then C major 7. And since our strumming pattern is down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So magiging ganito yung intro natin. So we have to repeat those first 2 chords twice for our intro. Okay? So, let's move on to the first verse of the song. So, our first verse na song ay marami na siyang chords. F. So, diba na, ano na natin yung F. And then, C major 7. And then, the next chord that we should learn is D minor. So, our D minor should sound like this. Yan yung D minor natin. And then, G. And then, what else? Okay. So, I guess that would be all. So, may 4 na chords tayo sa first verse. F, C major 7, G, and D minor. Okay? So, those are very basic chords. So, our first verse should sound like this. Ngumiti kahit napipilitan, kahit pa sinasadya. Masaktan, paminsan-minsan. D minor, bawat sandali na lang. And then G. Balik sa F. Tulad mo ba akong C major 7? Hirapan, lalo't naiisip ka. F ulit. Di ko na kaya pa C major 7. Bawat sandali is D minor, and sandali na lang is G. Okay, so that will be for our first verse. Okay, so let's break down this strumming pattern. Baka nahihirapan pa kayo. Okay, so ganito siya. Down, so magiging ganito yung kamay mo pag nagsa-strum ka, parang money sign, ganon. Tapos yung index finger mo or yung kuko ng index finger mo, yun yung pang down strums. And then yung mga up strums mo is you have to use yung kuko ng, tawag dito? Thumb. So ayun. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Tapos transfer to the next chord. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Move to the next chord. Down, up, down, down, up. Next chord. Ayan. Tapos D minor. Transfer sa G. Ayan. Okay? So, let's move on to the chorus of the song. So, yung chorus natin is same lang yung chords. So, ayun. F, G, C major 7 pa rin, and A minor. Okay? So, our chorus should sound like this. At aalis, magbabalik, at uuliting, sabihin na mahalin, kahit sambitin, kahit muling masaktan, may additional chord pala tayo dito, which is F minor. So, ganito yung F minor natin. So, index finger here sa last string ng first fret. Tapos, second string, yung middle finger mo dito pa rin sa first fret. And then, tapos yung pinky finger mo dito sa C na chord, okay? So, ano ba itong tawag dito? First string, third fret, okay? So, ayun. So, ganun yung F minor natin, okay? Ako'y magbabalik sana. Tapos, balik sa C major 7 naman. A minor. So, ganun lang. Tapos, yung verse 2 natin is very similar to what we did in first verse. And then, yung verse 3, ganun din. Tapos, yung chorus, ganun pa rin. Okay? So, that's it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have any comments, suggestions, or whatever, so please drop it down in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts about this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, so for more ukulele covers and tutorials, please click the subscribe button down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!